There is something sitting in your kitchen right now that pest control companies do not want you to know about. Something so effective, so cheap, and so embarrassingly simple that an entire industry has quietly made sure it never trends on social media, never gets recommended by your exterminator, and never shows up in the pamphlets they hand you after charging you $400 to spray your house. Ants. Millions of people deal with them every single summer. They find every crack, every crumb, every invisible trail you cannot see. And every single year, families spend billions, yes, billions, calling professionals who show up with fancy equipment to spray something that smells like chemicals and regret, and tell you to call them again in 3 months. What if you never had to make that call again? What if the solution cost you $4 and was already sitting in your grocery store? Stay until the end, because the last tip will genuinely shock you. Let's talk about what is actually happening in your home. You see one ant, then 5. Then suddenly there's a highway of them running across your kitchen counter at 2 in the morning, and you're standing there in your socks wondering what went wrong. Here's what nobody explains to you. Ants do not wander randomly. They are following invisible chemical highways called pheromone trails. Every ant that walks through your kitchen is leaving a scent message for thousands of others that says, "Come here, there is food, bring everyone." And once that trail is established, spraying a few ants with whatever you bought at the hardware store does absolutely nothing. You kill 10 ants, 300 more are already on the way. The queen, who is sitting somewhere safe and comfortable inside your walls or beneath your foundation, does not care. She is producing up to 1,500 eggs per day, every single day. So you call the exterminator. They charge you $250 for the first visit, another $150 every 3 months for their maintenance plan. That is $800 a year, minimum. And they are using products that work for maybe 6 to 8 weeks before the colony adapts and finds a new entry point. This cycle never ends. That is not an accident. That is a business model. You're not a customer to them. You are a subscription. Your ant problem is their income stream. And the moment you solve it yourself permanently, they lose you forever. So ask yourself, how hard do you think they are working to make sure you find the real solution? Here is where it gets interesting. Back in the mid-20th century, when pest control was becoming an industry rather than a household chore, there was a significant amount of research done on naturally occurring substances and their effects on insect behavior. Universities published papers. Agricultural researchers documented findings. Some of this research pointed directly to simple, inexpensive compounds that disrupted ant colony communication at a biological level, not just killing workers, but interfering with the pheromone signaling system that colonies depend on for survival. When worker ants cannot communicate trail directions back to the queen, the colony collapses. Not immediately, but permanently. Now, I'm not going to tell you that men in suits showed up and burned the research. That would make a great movie. What I will tell you is that there is a significant financial incentive for pest control companies to sell you a recurring service rather than a one-time fix. The research on simple household compounds got buried under marketing. It got replaced by proprietary chemical formulas with impressive-sounding names that you need a licensed professional to apply. What I am about to show you has been used by farmers, homesteaders, and old-school household managers for decades. They knew. The people who grew up without the option of calling a pest company figured it out through trial and error and kept passing it down. Only in the age of the internet is this information actually spreading the way it deserves to. And right now, only a fraction of people dealing with ant infestations know this method actually exists. The product is white distilled vinegar. A bottle costs between $2 and $4 at any grocery store on the planet. And before you click away thinking you have heard this before, stay with me. Because the way most people use vinegar does absolutely nothing. They spray it on the ants they can see and wonder why it did not work. That is not the method. Here is why vinegar actually works when used correctly. Ants communicate entirely through chemical signals. Their pheromone trails are acid-based compounds. White distilled vinegar, which contains acetic acid at a concentration of around 5%, does not just repel ants. When applied properly to trail pathways, entry points, and nest-adjacent surfaces, it chemically disrupts the pheromone markers that ants use to navigate. The workers return to a trail that no longer makes chemical sense. They cannot locate food sources. They cannot report back to the queen with directional information. The colony's communication network begins to break down. Meanwhile, the scent that vinegar leaves behind after it dries, which humans cannot detect after about 30 minutes, remains present at a molecular level that ants can detect for weeks. It creates a chemically hostile zone that worker scouts learn to route around. Professional pest companies charge $200 to $500 for perimeter treatments that aim to do exactly this. Create a barrier that disrupts insect navigation and entry. You're about to do the same thing for $4. Here's exactly how to do this. Start by mixing equal parts white distilled vinegar and water in a standard spray bottle. This is your base solution. Do not use apple cider vinegar. Do not use cleaning vinegar at higher concentrations without diluting it. Standard 5% white distilled vinegar diluted 50-50 with water is the correct ratio. First, you need to identify the trails. Watch the ants for 10 minutes without disturbing them. Follow the line. Where are they coming from? Where are they going? Trace it back as far as you can. Mark those entry points mentally. A gap in the baseboard, a crack near a window frame, a space where pipes enter the wall. That is your target zone. Next, clean the entire trail surface with your vinegar solution. Spray generously and wipe with a cloth. You're not just cleaning, you are chemically erasing the pheromone highway. Do this to every surface you observed them traveling across. Then, spray all identified entry points directly and let it air dry completely. Do not wipe these areas. You want the dried acetic acid residue to remain. Then move to the outside perimeter. Spray along the base of your exterior walls, focusing on the 2 feet of wall surface closest to the ground. Pay special attention to corners, utility entry points, and any cracks in your foundation or siding. Do not rush this step. Thoroughness here is what makes the difference between temporary relief and a permanent solution. Next, address the interior perimeter. Spray along the inside base of every exterior facing wall. Let it dry completely. Do this in the early morning when ant activity is lower. Then, prepare a secondary deterrent for food areas. Mix vinegar solution with 5 to 10 drops of peppermint essential oil per bottle. Spray this around your sink, countertops, and anywhere food is stored or prepared. Peppermint contains compounds that interfere with ant respiratory function and adds an additional chemical barrier on top of the vinegar's pheromone disruption. Finally, repeat the full perimeter treatment every 4 to 5 days for 3 weeks. This is the step most people skip. The colony will attempt to re-establish trails. Each time they do and encounter the treated barrier, more worker scouts learn to avoid the zone. By week 3, the colony's behavioral mapping has been overwritten, and they have redirected their territory away from your home entirely. Do not spray the ants directly during this process. Let the system work. The goal is not to kill workers, it is to collapse the communication network. The results people see from this method are not subtle. Within the first 48 hours, trail activity along treated surfaces drops noticeably. By day 7, the random exploratory scouts that keep appearing in your kitchen start becoming less frequent. By the end of the 3-week protocol, the infestation is gone. Not suppressed. Gone. People who have followed this exact method describe opening their kitchen in the morning and realizing they had not thought about ants in 2 weeks because there simply were not any. One person who shared their experience online calculated that they had spent over $1,200 on professional pest control over 4 years for recurring ant problems in their home. They used this method once, did not see a single trail return the following season, or the season after that. The results, when the full protocol is followed, are long-lasting because you're not just killing insects, you are retraining the colony's territorial mapping away from your structure entirely. And because you're not using harsh chemical pesticides, you can repeat this treatment as maintenance once per season without any concern about chemical buildup, damage to surfaces, or risk to children and pets. This is the part that should make you genuinely angry. This information is not new, it is not complicated. It does not require a license, a truck, or a quarterly service contract. It requires a $4 bottle of vinegar and 3 weeks of consistency. If this helped you, hit the like button right now. It takes 1 second, and it tells the algorithm that real, useful content deserves to be seen. Subscribe, because next week there's a video coming that exposes what commercial drain cleaners actually do to your pipes, and why plumbers quietly love that you keep buying them. The final tip I promised you. The single most important thing you can do before starting this protocol is to deep clean your kitchen surfaces with the vinegar solution first, before you treat any entry points. If you treat the entry points first, and the trails inside are still active, you trap confused worker ants inside your home temporarily, which triggers a distress pheromone that can actually accelerate activity for 24 hours. Clean inside first, then seal the outside. That sequence is the difference between this working smoothly and wondering why it seemed to get worse before it got better. You now know something that most people will spend hundreds of dollars a year never figuring out. Use it.